Core 12 pull to press. This movement is actually a pull. The transition is rotational, and then you finish with a press. Okay. The grip, well, it will depend on which side you're going to be turning. Okay, I'm going to be turning towards my left side. Okay, that means that my right hand is going to come at the top of the core 12 bar, and my left on the bottom. Okay, so once you're here, you're gonna start by facing the cable machine. Okay, the height of the cable travel is gonna be about chest height in the start position, which is a split stance right here. Okay, front foot it's flat, toes to heel, which is slight tilted in slightly. Okay, so my 5 toes are pointing straight to the cable. Okay, my hips are coiled. Okay, so my back foot is pointing straight ahead. Okay, and back heel is up. Okay, so once you are here, okay, see, notice I'm going to turn to my left. Notice right hand on top, left on the bottom, and I'm holding right in the middle. No, no, yes. Okay, and then from here, I like to lean slightly forward and bend my front knee. Okay, and then from here, I'm going to overcome inertia and create momentum. Okay, I really want to be explosive. Okay, see, I'm here, and then I explode, going back horizontally, turn. See that? Here, turn and press. Notice the height of the bar plays a huge role. You don't want to be above where the rope is touching you, and your elbow is out of the hole. Okay? You don't want to be below. See? Now the elbow is off. The elbow needs to be right in the middle. Needs to clear the rope. Okay? It may not happen all the time, but once you practice, you're gonna nail it. Okay? And then from here, flex the elbow, pivot both feet, come back to start. Okay? One more time. You're gonna start by lean forward a little bit, flex the front knee, and then you start with that knee extension. Knee extension followed by hip extension. Okay? And that allows momentum, okay, to take over so you can turn. Okay? You can turn. That's the whole idea. Okay? Right here. And then at this point, you just finish it. But here is key. It's key how you you time the whole movement. What I mean by that is that we're not trying to focus on developing strength or hypertrophy. This is more of a power movement. Okay, we are so used to do power movement or explosive exercise vertically, not much horizontally. Okay, and this is a great way to do it. Okay, one more time. I'm going to do a few reps in a row. Okay, I hold the bar. Okay, my if I'm going to go to my left, right go on top, left on the bottom, check forward, and then extend my body, lean back, and finish. It's one move. Okay, even though there is a, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of the day, it's just one move. See? Okay. Another coaching cue is when I pull, okay, and rotate, notice that I check my center of mass a little low as I transition to a push. Okay, that allows me to control the load. If I'm standing too high, I can feel my back sway a little bit, or hyperextend, which is not desirable. You're gonna keep it right here and lean forward. A common mistake is what I call throwing the anchor. Okay, what that means? Well, here at the start, okay, when you pull, you rotate, but the back foot, the front foot never pivot. See, and you go like that. Okay, and my knee just popped, and it's not in a good way. Okay, the amount of pain, you're creating knee torsion. Okay, it's like you want to blow your knee. Okay, so that's one thing to pay attention. both feet. See how when I do the movement, my body's committed to the line of resistance at every point. See, my body follows the bar. See, I'm here. See, I turn. See, and then pivot again and press. So a variation of the pull to press could be changing the anchor point. Okay, if you get it low, it's going to be a low high pull to press. Or if I go high, it's going to be a high low pull to press. Let's do low high pull to press. All the way. The movement, guys, is the same. Okay, if I turn to my left, right hand on top, left on the bottom, even. Okay, right leg goes forward, left leg goes back. Okay, the key here is to understand the diagonal force line coming from the bottom up. Okay, so that will help you make sure that the elbow finish between the rope. See, here you come right here to the sternum, you turn, keep going up, and you lower your center of mass. Look how my elbow ends up right in the center. Okay, and then bring it back by flexing the elbow, pivot, back to start. See, see how every time I finish with my elbow, right elbow inside. Okay. Now let's go over the high to low pull to press. Okay. I'm turning to my left, so that means left hand goes on the bottom of the Core12 bar, right goes on top, right leg, okay, goes forward. Okay, right hand on top, right leg goes forward. Okay, getting a split stance, core the hip. Okay, so your back foot is pointing to your front midfoot. Okay, and then from here, break inertia. Flex your knee a little bit. Okay, break inertia by pushing back. See, pushing back by extending the knee, bringing the bar to your sternum, pivot, and extend the arm. Okay, like so. Notice that at the end, I like to keep it. I tilt the bar a little bit diagonal in an angle. Okay, as opposed to keep it vertical. When I keep it vertical, the top of the rope usually touch my tricep or shoulder. To avoid that, I have found that if I tilt it a little bit, it clears. Okay, so let me go back, show you again. You see how the elbow always clear. So it resembles the movement of hitting or baseball, which is another movement that we offer here with the Core 12.